I'm going to quickly show you two different ways to convert a Word document file into a PDF. For the first method, open up the file in Microsoft Word, then click on File. Select Save As, then click on Browse. Now select the location where you'd want to save the PDF at. Then open this drop-down menu next to Save As Type. Now select PDF. Click on this Options button. Under Page Range, make sure the All option is selected, otherwise the whole document won't be converted. Click on OK, and then click on Save. Now if we go to the file location we picked earlier, we should see our document saved as a PDF. Method 2 is for anyone who doesn't have access to Microsoft Word. Go to the link in the description. Once you are on this page, click on Select Word Files and select your file. Once you selected the file, click on Convert to PDF. Now your doc file should be converted to a PDF. Click on the Download button to save your PDF.